Hopefully we can secure both.
That's what it's all about. Finding cars. Shout out to Ford. Loving the new 2022 Ford Escape. It's the titanium plug-in hybrid. Very economical. It's actually sporty. I gotta use that word, sporty. Update on the Mercedes E60 AMG. We bought the car last Monday. I posted something on Instagram. Basically, we got a deposit on the car with a couple contingencies. It was to fix the upholstery on the door pocket, adjust a little loose end on the bumper, get a PPI in the car, and then fully service the car. All that has been completed, and we're expecting funding today on the car. So that is a done deal. Listen, I wanted the car a little longer. It only lasted a week, but hey.
But I heard there's something else coming in though.
The 212 part, get that?
No, I don't know. I know about something else special.
Well, special because that's what the name suggests, right? I've been on the hunt for a long time now to find a 348 Series Speciale or a street challenge car or a Competizione car. It would be the rarest of all the 348s. So I posted on Instagram the other day, I'm looking for this car because I'm done searching all over the place. That lead. I get a lead on Instagram and it ends up being good. So I'm sending a deposit for the car today. They promised to sell it to us with a full major service. But, however, there's another car that I've always knew I was here in town and they never wanted to sell it. And then I get a whiff of they're gonna sell it and someone's gonna come see it next week. And I call the guy and say, how can you do that to me, man? You know I want the car. And he goes, yeah, but I asked crazy money and the guy's actually gonna fly down and come see it. So I made an offer on that car too. We would have two of the 35.
Well, let's see. Hopefully we can secure both.
That's what it's all about. Finding cars. I always tell people, finding the car. That's my job. The hunt, right? They always say the hunt, and I think it's the funnest part.
Absolutely.
You either buy right or you bought too soon.
This car ends on Bring a Trailer today. Last minute questions and concerns, of course, are coming up, so we want to address those as soon as possible. So there's 100% transparency of what the car is all about. So, you know, it gets very critical on Bring a Trailer with all the comments. There's a lot of people that know a lot of stuff, and you learn a lot, and it's a great community. So you never know who's a buyer and who's not a buyer, so you have to answer everything, and openly and honestly. Listen, I always say, the car is for you or it's not for you. I'm here to present the facts. I'm not here to sell it to you. So that's always been my philosophy and it's worked out so far. Anywho, I gotta get to a meeting. Give me just... That could be between 500,000 and 700,000 easy. And what are they asking for it?
I could buy it for 200,000 US.
So this gentleman just called me. His name is Mel. I get an email. He says to call him reference to an alpha. So we went down the list of alphas because he didn't remember which one he wanted to call about. I think he was kind of picking my brain. He probably is a very real buyer, but there was another car he's looking at, and he gave me all the details and what do you think it's worth, and they want free advice. And that's fine. Listen,
you never know what that turns into.
You never know what it turns into. You gotta see it as an opportunity. It might not lead anywhere immediately, and it might lead somewhere ultimately. You never know what they're holding on to also. They might have something very significant. I've gotten so many great things out of those small kind of situations. We're with our friends from Spain. They're building these Wolves, what they call them, they're ex-German military vehicles, restoring them, making them beachy cruisers. And they're starting to produce these cars and import them from Spain, and we've become their exclusive source to sell them. This one just came in the process of getting its title. It'll be ready next week, and the car will be available for sale. It's an awesome car, awesome details, and I love the color combination on this one. It's like Miami, it's very nautical.
Vamos a controlar a ver si hay alguna pérdida de aceite o es la correa que se le había puesto un lubricante y estaba salpicando un poquito ahí en el hood. Lo vamos a caminar un poquito porque está todo en orden.
All right, guys, I want to thank you for joining us in this week's vlog. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for us. We got some new inventory on the way. We had some new old inventory getting out of here, and we're looking forward to representing that beautiful Mercedes-Benz truck for our client. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.